Tenéis que soltarle, yo creo, el... con el screw, weón. Ahí mero.
Hey, we got a new tank, we got heat, and let me tell you, this is what it takes to do what you need to do to bring the heat, baby. So I'm telling you guys, listen, if you need heat, you need an oil tank like this, you need the HVAC Papi. Who are you gonna call? I don't know. Are you gonna call the HVAC Papi? You're gonna call him at 516-377-5200. Oh, but wait, there's more. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that bell button. Hey, mi gente, and holla at me. Oh, and leave a comment below. Wepa.
Can somebody call Louis the Baller Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louis the Baller Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair. Wepa!